Welcome to freemarketingmetrics.com. Let's talk today about return on ad spend, otherwise known as ROAS. What is ROAS and what does it mean? Return on ad spend is, simply put, the amount of revenue that you get back, that you make, for every dollar in ad spend. So, what is the return on ad spend formula? It's very simple. You take the total gross revenue generated by your ad spend and divide it by your total ad spend. Point of note, we typically only include the working media in your denominator, your ad spend. So if you're developing a commercial, if you're paying someone to develop creative for an online ad, we remove that. That's more of a fixed cost. Because what we want to know is incrementally, if we spend another dollar in working media, in other words, media to run the actual ads, how much gross revenue is that generating? So why is return on ad spend so important? Well, generally speaking, marketers want to be as efficient as possible. You typically have a fixed amount of marketing budget that's allocated. Whether you're a small business or a marketer in a very large company, you don't have infinite money. And one of the goals of marketers is to use analyses and metrics like return on ad spend to compare different tactics, to compare different marketing investments. And when you can compare different tactics, and you see, using your ROAS formula, which ad tactic is performing better. In other words, for every dollar you spend in working media, you make the most amount of gross revenue. That's the tactic in which you should invest most of your budget. Okay, marketers, I hope you found this helpful. For more information, view the full article on freemarketingmetrics.com. We'll talk to you soon.